In order to make decision making an effective tool in your life, you need to firstly understand what your decision is. You need to weigh up your various options. You then need to analyze those options and make a specific decision and commit to that. In much the same way you've made a decision to start on this course, in order for this course to be effective, you need to stick through it through to the end and commit to completing all of the exercises in their entirety and helping us guide you through the process to make sure that you get exactly what you require out of this course. Here is our commitment to you. This course has been designed so that anyone from anywhere and from any background with a tough choice can apply what they've learned here to reach a decision. We've spent many years researching various decision-making tools and processes and adopted the best elements from each. We've left out sections we don't believe work and spent a huge amount of time understanding the rationale behind how people analyze options and make decisions. This course has assisted people from all over the world gain an understanding of how they assess their options and make decisions. And our commitment is that this will work for you too. However, in order for it to work for you, you need to commit to the following. To commit to and trust to the entire process that we work through over the next few training sessions. While this course is made up of single lessons, they're not standalone elements, and all of the lessons fit together to make up a complete decision-making process. In order for it to be effective, you need to commit to completing the entire course and all of the exercises that are prescribed. As you start to understand how you list and evaluate your options, you then also need to commit to a deadline by when you're actually going to pull the trigger and make your choice. We believe in the power of writing things down, and throughout this course we're going to encourage you to write down various tasks as well as complete various exercises through writing things down or completing them on your decision assistant. Throughout my life, I've quickly understood the power of writing things down, from goals, feelings, plans, and dreams. Somehow writing things down, your mind crystallizes and starts to subconsciously process what you've written down and starts to work towards achieving those things. In much the same way we encourage you to write things down here, we're also going to ask you to write down potentially some of your longer term plans and see how those decisions that you make today can ultimately improve your happiness in the future. The benefits of writing things down range from increased clarity, more focus on tasks, through to reinforcement of the tasks, as well as creating a constant reminder. For this reason, we're going to get you to write a few things down during the course of our training. For now, let's spend a few minutes taking a look at the resource called the Commitment Contract, which is your commitment to yourself to making sure that you make this decision.
Right, for the next section, we're going to take a look at the Commitment Contract, which is the first tab on My Decision Assistant as you open it up at the bottom left. Once you've opened it up, go to the top section and add in today's date. The next, move down to row number 6, and where it says your name, insert your name. We're going to use the example of Alan. Next, review the following reasons as to why you've taken this course in the first place, marking an X in the boxes that are applicable to you. Read through the sections shown here in order to understand the commitment that you're making to yourself. Question 1. Insert a description of what your decision is. In this example, we're using Alan and his difficult relationship with his girlfriend Jane. Question 2 looks at the options that are available to you. As you analyze your choice at the moment, spend some time writing down what those options are for you. Your specific choice may have a couple of options, or may just be a yes or no, or a stay and go type choice. Add either of those down. You can leave section 3 blank for now. It'll self-populate when we complete a later exercise. And question 4 is the date by when you want to make your choice. Lastly, add your name to the bottom of the contract. And then we're going to prepare the document to get it ready to print. In order to do this, select the white section of the contract. Go up to File, Print. In your print options at the top, instead of printing the current sheet, choose Selection. Make sure that it's set to Portrait. And when you press Print, it'll preview your commitment contract. and get ready to print it out and sign it.